Do you, like most manufacturers, struggle with limited floor space in your production? Our compact spiral conveyor is an exceptionally compact elevating solution. It greatly increases available production floor space in your production, opening up possibilities for additional lines or other machinery. With several height options and in and out feed configurations available, you have the flexibility to choose a solution to meet your production needs perfectly. The modular and standardized FlexLink design ensures a quick and easy integration into your existing line. We know that gentle product handling is crucial, so the compact spiral comes with 3 chain options. And together with our ultra-resistant slide rails, your products will be safely elevated without being damaged or marked. So, go compact, free up your valuable floor space, and elevate your production to new levels.